Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I'm doing a quick video just to show you a simple hack you can make at home for controlling the airflow of this thing. This is the alcohol stuff, very popular among bikepackers and backpackers and outdoor people. And if you don't know what this is, I'll give you a quick explanation. This is like a burner that burns alcohol and you can cook with it. Basically, this is the stand that you can place this thing. This has two lids, you see it. This one is that keeps the alcohol inside. Yeah, there is a small rubber gasket inside the lid, and there is the alcohol right there. So you place it here, ignite it, and use this lid as an air control or airflow control, something like that. Now, I'll tell you my experience with this. I noticed, I don't know if it happens to you, but when the alcohol is almost burned at all, is at low level, the flames go higher. Sometimes it can be a little bit dangerous and you have to pay attention. Of course you have to pay attention when you use these kind of things and any stove, gas or alcohol, but the flames go really high and there is a problem with that. You first don't get efficient because you burn a lot of fuel and that is not into your pan. You are not heating with that fuel that is burning. Also, when you use this kind of pans like this one, this is the classic pan all campers use. When you use this, I will place it like this, maybe you can see it better. When you use a pan like this one, you can burn the handles because the flames go along. Of course you can use this lid to control the airflow, open it, close it and place it again, blah blah blah. But sometimes it's not practical because this thing is hot as hell and you have to use pliers and you have to play with this like this just to open it. For me it's not so practical, you know. So I managed to kind of create, I don't know, a way to control airflow in another way, and I'll show it to you with this. This is a tuna can that I place. I will show you how I did it. I placed the base inside like this way, you know. With a marker I did the drawings where we're about to cut after, you know, these drawings like this, you know. I pass a line like there, and then with a scissors, this I don't have the scissor with me right now, but this is a kind of scissor that is used to cut steel wire. Many bike repair shops use them, and you can really cut this like butter. It's like cutting paper. It's kind of scissors that is made for that. You cut it around, you trim it for not cutting yourself, of course, and then you can cut the other side of the lid in that tuna can. You keep with this. So the working is very simple. You place the thing over there, right, that, you know, yep, it's like this. You place it more or less open, you put the burner inside. Let's see. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, you have to wait a few minutes for the alcohol to pass through these holes. It's already burning, and you can see the pan is resting on the support, not on the tuna can. Now, how this works? It works simple. You rotate the tuna can, controlling the airflow. You see that? If you do this, there are less airflow inside. Let's see if it's not. No, it's already burning. Okay, you control it this way. But the thing is, there will be time, this tuna can will be also hot to touch, and that's when I use this. I secure the pan and I do this movement. Okay guys, so hope you like this simple thing I'm sharing today. And if you have another better idea than this, please share it with me, because I want to know how you solve that problem. Okay, take care guys and girls. See you. Bye bye.